In today's episode of Shredgainer, we are going to talk about intensity. In the last episode, we talked about volume, and we said volume is the amount of effective sets or work you do at the gym. If volume is quantity, then intensity is quality. For these sets to be effective, you need to train at a high intensity, which simply means you need to use a lot of effort when you're working out. We have many ways of estimating intensity, but the most common one is called an RPE. RPE is measured with a scale of 1 to 10. An RPE of 1 simply means you are lifting very light. You are barely doing anything. An RPE of 10 means you've reached failure. You've done everything, you've put all the effort you can, but you can no longer lift that weight. That is an RPE of 10. For example, let us say I am deadlifting 130 kg and I can only do 8 reps. The 8th rep will be the last rep I can do. No matter how much effort I put in, I cannot do more than 8. It means that 8th rep is my RPE of 10. I have reached failure. If I was to lift the same weight for 7 reps, that means I would have done an RPE of 9. In other words, I have left 1 rep in the tank. If I had lifted the same weight for 6 reps, it means I would have done an RPE of 8. In other words, I would have left 2 reps in the tank. If I had lifted the same weight for 5 reps, it means I have done an RPE of 7. In other words, I have left 3 reps in the tank. For your set to be effective, you must train to failure or close to failure. In our case, I recommend you train between an RPE of 7 and 9. Always leave between 1 to 3 reps in the tank. Going all the way to failure is not necessary.